So Java program to create home page using applets and swings. So this is the sample output we are expecting. So observe here there are some labels, there are some text boxes. So there is a gender, here there is a radio button. So we will call it as J checkbox group. Okay, this is J combo box. Okay, this is qualification. These are all things are checkbox and there are two buttons. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 labels. Next, 2 text boxes. Okay, and there are 2 radio buttons. Observe here. Okay, also see here. This is a combo box. So which will select your born year. For example, 1991, 1992. I will add some options here. Okay, and this is label, and these are all our check boxes. Okay, and this one is a button. This one is a button. Okay, this is the form we have to develop. Okay, so there are total 4 labels, 2 text boxes, 2 radio buttons, 1 J combo box, 4 check boxes, and 2 buttons. Let's see. So what components we need? See here. So for example, enter your first name. So Java equivalent is J label. So I'm writing here. Observe here J because I'm using swings. In swings, everything will start with a J label, J button, J applet, J text field like this. Okay, so J label. So I need 4 labels, and J text field I need 2 text boxes. For example, for first name, and second one is for email ID. You see here there are 2 text boxes, and for gender selection I'm using J button group. Okay, under J button group we create 2 radio buttons, one for male and another for female. So I am going to add R1 and R2 to J button group, and another one is for ear, J combo box. Okay, you are using J combo box for selecting ear. You see here this is called J combo box. Okay, select for example 1991, 1992, like this we will add here. So combo box, we are going to add some options like this: 1991, 1992, 1993. So like this we are going to add some options. Okay, and another one is checkbox. So see here the checkbox. So SSC, enter, degree, easy. Okay, and the last one is buttons. So there are 2 buttons. First one is submit and another one is reset. So now what window we are going to use? As we are using swings, we are going to use JApplet window, and also make sure if a user clicks on submit or reset button, so there is an even handling mechanism, because when the user clicks on button something must be happen. For example, he clicked on submit, so the form data must be submitted, or you have to give some message like the form data has been submitted. Reset, for example, if you reset, so there is something happening, like for example the form data is cleared. Okay, like this you have to display some messages, or you have to do some tasks. So for that purpose we are going to implement even handling mechanism. So please remember, when you are using button you have to implement action listener interface. You see here you have to implement action listener interface. Whenever a user clicks on a button, action event will be generated. So whenever a user clicks on a button, a predefined method called public void action performed method will be called. So now our program will look like this: public class homepage extends JApplet implements action listener. Okay, now see here in the home page there are 2 buttons, submit and reset. When user clicks on submit or reset button, so action event will be generated, and correspondingly so action performed method will be called. So what methods we need? Okay, you see here add, for example add of b1, add of b2, add of l1, add of l2. We are going to add all the component objects to the JApplet window. Okay, so set selected method, okay, is used with checkbox. Okay, either it can be true or false. True means there is a tick, false means there is no tick. Okay, index, this is for combo box. Okay, clear selection. So gender male female will be cleared. Okay, next add item, it will be used with J combo box. So for example, you are going to add options 1991, 1992. Okay, so this is important. Get action command, whenever a user clicks on a particular button, you have to do something. For example, if the user clicks on submit button, then you have to do certain action. For example, form data will be submitted, I have to display this message. Or for example, if the user clicks on reset button, then the form data must be cleared. So based on the user click, we have to do some action. So for this purpose, we are going to use action command. So this method will return the label of the button. For example, user clicks on submit button, then this method will return submit. If the user clicks on reset button, then this method will return reset. Okay, and I'm not going to use any predefined layout managers like flow layout, grid layout. I'm not going to use any layout managers. I will add components to the JApplet window manually using set location function. See here, set location, it will take two values, x value, y value. So that stands for x-axis and y-axis. Please remember, applet window always starts from here. This is x and this is y. See here, x, y. Okay, and the last one is set size. So you have to say the dimension of the component, what size. Okay, so these are all things we are going to use in home page program. Okay, right. So let's see the home page program. I have created already. I just opening it. Okay, you see here. So home page. So this is a normal text. So as I'm using JApplet, that means I'm using swings. You have to import java extra.swing.package. As I'm using some listeners, I'm using some event handling mechanism. You have to import this package, import java.awd.star. Okay, these are all components I'm going to use. Set size. Okay, set location. You see here, I will explain a few things. So I will open output once. You see here, for example, enter your first name. This is text box T1. So both are separated only by x-axis. Y-axis is same. Okay, you see here, location label, x-axis 100, y-axis is 100. See here, T1 is x-axis 100, y-axis is 20. Sorry, so here 100 and T1 300, y-axis same. So please observe the output. Yeah, y is same, x is different. Y is same, x is different. Okay, like this I'm going to set all the values. See here, J label, J set size. So radio button, see here, radio button, J radio button RB1 equal to male, female. Okay, everything I need to add to the applet window. Now see here, enter, degree, like this I have added all the things. Okay, there are two buttons, submit and reset. See here, the label is submit and the label is reset. Now, so I'm registering for event notifications. If anyone clicked on button, then event will be generated and correspondingly this method will be called public void action perform. So if the user clicks on submit button, so this function gets true, and see here, L6 dot set text. Make sure this is L6 dot set text, your form is submitted. If the user clicks on reset, then I'm calling a method called clear data. Okay, this is not predefined method, and I'm giving a text message like please enter details again. You see here I have created a small method for clear data. See here, so t1 dot text dot null null. Okay, c1 dot set selected. So I'm clearing all the checkbox options. I'm clearing all the checkbox options, and I'm clearing the gender selection. Okay, this is the program we are going to develop. Okay, let's compile it. So Okay, now see, I'm compiling the program. So Java C homepage dot Java. Okay, it's fine. See here, class file created, and I have to develop an HTML file which contains applet tag. Okay, see here, this is the applet tag. Applet code equal to homepage dot class with equal to something like this. I have written. Okay, let's execute the applet tag. Let your homepage dot HTML. Yeah, so this is the applet window. So I'm entering some data. So Anil akr.gmail.com, mail. So for example 1991. For example qualification is PG. Let's submit. Please observe here. I click on submit button. So while I click on submit method, an action event generated, and this method will be called. Okay, as I have clicked on submit, so this condition gets true. Okay, and this function will be called, and there is a text message called your form is submitted. Okay, you see here your form is submitted. Let's click on reset. You see here what happened when I click on reset. So when I click on reset, there is only one function will be called clear data. Please enter details. You observe here. Okay. So this is the program. Thank you.